Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're doing this mermaid makeup look using the BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. So guys, today we're going to be doing this mermaid eyeshadow makeup look using the BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette. It's so pretty, has so many awesome foily shades in it. Really incredible, very pigmented, and super great quality for the price that you're paying on this. So if you guys want to check out this palette, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. But before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you I haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet, and how you can do that is by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below. And guys, I have a huge 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so I will link that giveaway video up here in a card and also in the description box down below. But I'm giving away a ton of really fun stuff like the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, the Tarte Toasted palette, and then a ton of BH Cosmetics products as well. So if that sounds like a fun giveaway, then make sure you go check that out. That's pretty much it. Let's jump right into this makeup tutorial. So guys, today we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. I'll have it linked in the description box down below if you guys are interested in checking this out, but this is just a really good foiled eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using a bronzer as my transition shade today just so that I have something that's matte in the crease. But other than that, everything else is going to come from this palette. I love this palette. I've had it for a very long time. And I kind of really wanted to go for a colorful look, and this is a great palette for something colorful. It does have some more neutral shades over here if you want to go for something more neutral. But I felt like, you know, let's do something a little poppy, a little exciting, you know? I don't really know what that means, but I'm gonna go with it. So for my bronzer, my transition shade in the crease that I'm just gonna use the Hoola bronzer, but you can use any matte bronzer you want. If it matches your skin tone, if it's a good bronzer for your face, typically it's gonna be a good crease color, a good transition shade. So I'm just taking a little bit of that on a fluffy brush. I'm going to sweep that color back and forth in the crease. And as you can see, if you look at the difference between this eye and this eye, there's a lot more definition over on this eye because of that bronzer. Now that I've got that crease a little bit more defined, it's time to dip in to some really fun colorful shades. So I'm really feeling this purple shade right here, so I think we're gonna do kind of more of a purple based look today. Yeah, I like that. Let's do purple and blue look today. When you're picking colors, you really want to pick colors that are close to each other on the color wheel, that complement one another. I have a whole video on that if you guys want to check it out. It's a Makeup 101 video on how to choose colors for your eyeshadow. So I'll have that linked in the description box down below and also up here in a card if you want to check that out. So I'm going to start off with this teal shade right here, and I'm kind of going to put that on the outside corner of my eye. I want it to start kind of teal and fade into that light lavenderish purple, because I feel like that's really mermaidy, and I'm in a super mermaidy I'm in a super mermaidy mood. Guys, life is hard. I can't talk. I'm in a super mermaidy mood today. Say that 5 times fast, you guys. That's totally so hard. But I'm in that kind of mood, and I'm feeling like mermaid colors. So mermaid colors, here we come. That is a super pigmented color. I didn't even use setting spray for that, you guys, and it's so pigmented and so foily. Definitely an awesome palette. I'm glad I grabbed it again. I haven't used this one in a little while, and I'm so happy with this palette. I should use this more. Okay, so now I'm going to dip into this lilac-y foiled shade right here. That is going to be the inner part of my lid today. And just right in the middle, to kind of ease the transition between the purple and the teal, I'm going to take a little tiny bit of this blue right there and just kind of tap it right in the center to blend those two where they meet. And just to kind of define this look a little bit more, I'm taking a tiny bit of this blue color right here and just blending that in the crease kind of over the top edge of these colors, just to make sure I have a little bit more definition around the edge of the crease, if that makes sense. So I'm taking this probably about 2/3 of the way in. I don't want to bring it so far in that it's really darkening up the whole look. I just want to give it a little bit more definition. And I'm going to take this blue right here on a little tapered brush and just kind of brush that underneath my lower lash line to give the bottom a little bit of definition and balance with the top. And then I'm going to take this lightest purple shade right here and use that as my highlight in my inner corner and on my brow bone. And that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some liner. For my liner today, I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner. And now I'm just going to curl my lashes and do my mascara. Today I'm going to be using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I got this in one of my boxes and I've really been liking it. So I think I might purchase the full size. I don't know. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing this look with the BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette. I think it's a great palette. I didn't even use any setting spray on this look, and it still is just so foiled, so pigmented, and so gorgeous. So if you want to check out this palette, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. This is not sponsored. I think this is an awesome palette, and yeah, that's pretty much my opinion. And if you guys have not yet entered my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, make sure you go check that out. I'll have it linked in the description box down below, but you can win a ton of fun stuff. I have some BH Cosmetics products in there as well, so if winning sounds like a fun thing to you, then make sure you go check out that video. And guys, that giveaway is ending at the end of January, so just make sure you get in on it before it's over. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button so I know to keep doing videos just like this one. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!